Good morning, everyone. How was everyone's sleep?
Morning, I slept well. Thanks for asking.
Good morning, Mom. I slept great.
Morning, I had a bad dream and woke up in the middle of the night.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, honey. Everything okay now?
Yes, I went back to sleep and I feel better now.
What's for breakfast, Mom?
How about some scrambled eggs and toast?
Sounds good to me.
I'll make the coffee.
So, what are your plans for the day?
I have a math test at school today.
And I have a dance recital tonight.
I have a busy day at work, meetings all day.
I have some errands to run and then I'll be working on a project at home.
Do you need any help with that, Mom?
That's sweet of you to offer, but I think I have it under control. But thank you.